character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Karikalambakkam.
I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK. Knowledge forever, love forever. Textbook friends, 3C lovely teachers and wisdom. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.
Good evening, my dear 11th standard students. Hope you all understood the unit 1. Now we'll go to unit 2 revision. Take page number 37. The Queen of Boxing. Queen of Boxing. Now we'll see about the author. Mary Kom was a boxer and the winner of 5 World Boxing Championships and an Olympic bronze. Championships and an Olympic bronze medal in 2012. As a schoolgirl, she used to play a variety of sports in hockey, football and athletics. In the school days, what she used to do, she used to play sports like hockey, football and athletics. Inspired by Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh. She was inspired by Dinko Singh, who won the gold at the Asian Games in 1998, okay. Mary Kom took up boxing. She won the first medal of silver in Pennsylvania, where she took the first medal. USA in 2001. She took the first medal in USA in 2001. She is the only women boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. How many? 6 world championships, okay. She was honored with the Padma Shri in 2010 and Padma Bhushan in 2013 for her wonderful achievements in the field of sports. She wrote her own autobiography, Unbreakable, in 2013. Now she is coming to tell about her own autobiography of this lesson, okay. Now we'll go to the lesson. Soon after the Bangkok Championship, she was selected in the 48 category of the International Boxing Association, where she was selected in the World's Women's Boxing Championship in Pennsylvania, USA in November to December 2001, okay. She was selected in November to December 2001 in United States of America. November to December 2001 in United States of America. Her father managed to collect only rupees 2,000 for the trip. Her father was used to collect only 2,000 for the trip. I was both upset and very worried because I would heard of how expensive things were in America. They have only 2,000 rupees with them, but they know already how expensive the things were in America. But there was nothing my parents or I could do, but they cannot do. They are not able to do in anything because they are having only that much amount. I spoke to Onler. She spoke to the Onler, one of my friends, about my problem. She is speaking to the Onler about the problems what she is having, okay. He invited a few students and elder. This Onler is inviting some friends and students and elders who went to meet the 2 members of parliament and seek their help. The students, elders are going and asking the members of parliament to help them, okay. 2 MPs donated only rupees 5,000. 2 MPs donated rupees 5,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively. And I suddenly had rupees 10,000. Some 2 members are giving, 1 member is giving 5,000 and another member is giving 3,000. Now she is with the help of others, she is collected rupees 10,000. With this princely sum and a little more that had been collected from people, and also she had some more money with her, okay. I left for the US. She left to the US. I was ready to have money in my pocket and knew that I could not come back empty handed after all the efforts that people had made on my behalf. What they are doing? 5,000, 3,000 and 10,000, and also some more money the people are collecting and giving. So what she is thinking here, that she should not come in the empty hand. Empty hand means what? she should win the medal here. She should win the medal and come, because here many people have helped her. Okay, is this clear? Now come to the next paragraph. Peninsula was cold and beautiful. It was snowing. How the climate was? It was very cold and beautiful, and also it was snowing. We were confined to the sports arena, but what little I saw was pleasing to the eye. They were confined to the sports arena, but but she saw only the little thing. It was pleasing to her eye. How the thing was? It was pleasing to her eye. The people were enormously nice too. It was the first time in my life that I had travelled so far. It was the first time that she had travelled so far. Okay, I was looking forward to seeing what America was all about. She is eagerly seeing what America was all about. But since we were the last team to arrive, but they were the last team to arrive, we went straight to the sporting arena from the airport. Straight away from the airport, where they are going? To the sporting arena. They are straightly going to the sporting arena. The other teams had already completed their weight in, which is compulsory for all players. As soon as they go to the sports arena, all the team will be having the completed their weights. They have to check their weights. Okay, I was tired and suffering from jet lag. It had been morning when I left, and here it was morning again. When she started to America, it was morning, and again when she reached America, it was also again the next day morning. Okay, ma. So after weighing in, I found out that I did not have any match that day. Luckily, what she is having that day, she is not having the match. I was fortunate, but some of the teammates were not so lucky. I am so lucky because I am not having the match that day, but some of my teammates were not so lucky because that day itself they are having the match. I was able to rest well enough to face my opponent. I had taken rest to face my opponent party, okay, in the round, which I won comfortably. My fear of facing new opponents quickly vanished. So the fear was vanished quickly. Okay, I completed in the 48 kg in this championship. How much she won? 48 kg in this championship. While teammates lost one after the other, I went on to reach the finals. The teammates they all have lost, but only she has went to reach the finals. She has won the finals. I was even hopeful to winning the gold. What she is thinking, up to final she has won, she is still having the hope that she will win the gold here. The boxes were not unbeatable as I had earlier thought. She didn't have that much fairness here. Next, I felt like this would be the place, the event that would change my life. Here, this place and this event would change my life. I kept telling myself I can face anyone in the ring. She is having the thought that she can face anybody in this ring. In the quarter final, I defeated. In this quarter final, who she defeated? Nadia Hokmi of Poland by RSC, and other risk getting hurt. And in the semi-final, she has been defeated by Jane Behal. Okay, in the first quarter final, Nadia Hokmi, and in the semi-final, Jamie Behal of Canada by 21-9. I reached the finals but lost to Ola Singh of Turkey by 13-5. Okay, ma. So three persons, they are playing together, and finally the greatest disadvantages for me was my loss of appetite. What is here? Appetite means she is hungry. She is feeling hungry. I was not accustomed to the food there. She was not happy with the food what she is having. Try as I might, I could not eat the food, and I started to lose weight. What she is doing, as she is not having good food, she started to lose this weight. So much so that just before the finals, I was only 46 kg. How much kg she is in the final? She was only 46 kg. This is probably what cost me my dream of winning gold. This because of this 46 kg, her dream was losing lightly. Okay, and I was very disappointed. I went to my room and I started crying. She went to the room and she simply started crying. But the coaches were kind. They consoled me and lauded me on the silver win. What they are doing? They are coming and appreciating me that you have won the silver medal. You need not worry. Everyone didn't get any medal, but at least you have got the silver medal, and they appreciated me. I was the only one in the team to get a medal. She was the only person who got medal in this team. But the biggest thing from this championship was the conviction. Conviction means here belief that I could take on any boxer. She had a belief that she can play with any boxer. In the course of my career, I have become used to travel and to the different way that things work in other countries. One time in China, we were given chopsticks. She used to go to so many countries. When she went to China, they have given chopsticks to eat our meals with. They have given chopsticks to eat the meals. Just when I had painfully begun to master the art of using knife and fork, I had to use 2 sticks to fill my stomach. What she started doing? She started to eat with the 2 sticks given to fill the stomach. I ended up using both my hands to hold the chopsticks. She started using to eat by using the chopstick to pick up the food and push into my mouth. She started using the chopstick and started eating to fill her stomach. My teammates asked for spoons, but I tried to manage with the sticks. What the teammates used to do? They were asking for spoons, but what she used to do? She used to manage with what she has been having. She used to manage with. So I ended up using both my hands to hold the chopstick. By using the chopstick, she used to pick up the food and push into the mouth. My teammates asked for spoons. What the teammates are asking? They are asking for the spoons. But I tried to manage with the sticks. It helped that I really enjoy what she is doing here. She really enjoyed the food what she had. Chinese food. I was hungry enough that I managed the complex work required. I ate enough to sate my appetite. Sate my appetite means here what? Sate means satisfied. She was satisfied with the what food she is having. Okay. She was satisfied with what food she is having. Sense of taste. She was liked by the Chinese taste here. After 5 years of traveling, I started taking along some packed food from home. What she started doing? She started to take food from the home itself. Okay, ma'am. Is it clear? Now we'll go to the next para. On my return to Delhi, gave me a warm welcome at the airport. Back in Impal, I was greeted with how she was greeted. She was greeted with the drums, garlands, drum beats and dancing. She was welcomed with garlands, drum beats and dancing. There was a victory ride across the town. A felicitation program was held in Langol. Where it was held? It was held in Langol, an area that houses the government quarters. Thanksgiving prayers were said and the words of praise and adulation were showered on me. I was presented with a traditional shawl. Oja Imbocha was also present and was duly felicitated. When I spoke to the people to Langal that day, I spoke of my hope that I would win the gold win gold in future tournaments. What she is coming here with the silver medal. When she came to Delhi, how she was welcomed? She was welcomed with the garlands and drum beats and dancing. She was given a felicitation program. All the peoples were coming and wishing her, so she was very happy to see that, and she is having the hope that she will win the gold medal in the future tournaments. Is it clear? Now we'll come to the next para. That first international medal, silver will always mean a lot to me. The fight and all are followed by a clear etched in my memory. Clear etched means it was impressed. The first thing was impressed by her because the first thing was a silver, so she was very much impressed here. Okay, I was not happy. As I touched down in India, I vowed that next time I would bring back a gold. She promised that next time she will win the gold. I knew I was good enough. She is knowing that she is good enough to play that. The silver in Peninsula and the prize money from the government had put an end to my immediate financial worries. She had some financial problem when she was going to America, isn't it? Now the government is helping her to go for the games, okay ma'am, for the matches. But I wanted a job too, and also now government is helping her, but even though she is offering for a job, for that alone can bring a long-term security, because that can bring her the long-term security and a steady income, and also it will be a steady income for her. Also around the time that I was getting married, but by the time she is also getting married here, I had no savings except a couple of life insurance policies. What she is having, she is not having any savings except of the life insurance policies. After my second world championship gold, the Manipur government offered me the post of sub-inspector. What she is being here, the government has given her a job of sub-inspector, which she accepted in 2005. I had long dream of getting a government job through the sports quota. For long term, she is having a dream that she has to get some government job in the sports quota. Like that, she is getting here the sub-inspector posting. Okay, ma'am. And it was finally fulfilled. Now she is very happy that she has got a government job. I earned a salary of rupees 15,000 in that first job. The thing about the jobs that are obtained through the sports quota is that we are not required to go to the work as regularly. Even though she has got a job as inspector of rupees 15,000, she is not forced to come regularly. Okay, she is not forced to come regularly to the job. She can, our colleagues, because we tend to be away too, because she used to go for camps and tournaments through much of the year. Throughout the year she used to go for camps and tournaments here. So I go to office whenever necessary, and every time I need to go out of the station. When she is necessary only she used to go to the office. Other times she used to go for the out of station. I am required to take leave and inform the department also. She can able to take leave and she can inform to the department. Okay ma. Now the next para. My medal haul continued after marriage. What happened? My medal haul continued. Haul means here what? Taking a collection. Haul means what? Taking a collection. Even after marriage, what she did? She started taking a collection of what? Medals. Marriage. Even after marriage, putting an end to speculation among my family and friends around that particular topic. What the friends were thinking, friends and family, even after the marriage, will she go for the match or not? Even after the marriage she started going for the match, and she started title in the 3rd World Women's Boxing Championship at Polsok in Russia in 2005. Sarita, who had won the bronze, and I were given a hero is welcome at the Imphal airport. She has given the hero is welcome at the Imphal airport. We were taken to the Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre where a grand reception was organized. Here Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre she was taken and she was given a grand reception. Okay ma. Next, I would had a good run from 2001 to 2004. I won several goals from 2001 to 2004. How she was very happy, and also she had a good run and she won several goals. All the senior women's boxing championships, the second women's boxing championships 2002, the second Asian women's boxing championships at Hisar in 2003, and the Witch Cup boxing championships at the Pace, Hungary. In spite of this, when I got married, everybody was doubtful that my medal hauls would continue. But after the wedding, I participated in and won a gold in the 3rd and 4th World Women's Boxing Championships in October 2005 and November 2006. Even after the marriage, what she started? She started collecting, she started achieving lot of matches, and she won a lot of gold medals. Okay, even after the marriage she started going for matches and she won medals. There were a number of other international level championships in the Taiwan, Vietnam, Denmark and so on, but it was the retaining my world title in 2006 by defeating Statula Duta of Romania 20-7 at the 4th World Championships in New Delhi. In the thing, first she played in New Delhi, that which she won the silver medal. That I consider one of my greatest achievements. That was her one of the greatest achievements. After that she has won lot of gold medals, but that was her, the first impression is the best impression. Like that she was not able to forget that movements and that achievements. Okay, it is probably the most memorable for me because I was able to win at home, and because it was at her home means what, in India. The other Indian boxers also performed exceptionally well. India won 4 medals. How many? The India won 4 golds, 1 silver and 3 bronzes, and our team won the overall title. With this hat trick of world championship wins, the media christened me. How the media is christening here? Queen of Boxing and Magnificent Mary. Okay, now how they have been awarded her? They have been awarded her as a Queen of Boxing. Is it clear? Are you clear with this lesson? Now we'll go to poem Confessions of a Born Spectator, written by Auden Nash. Okay, who is the author here? Author is Auden Nash. Now we'll see about the author. Frederick Auden Nash, August 1992, May 1997. Okay ma'am. She is Frederick Auden Nash, August 1902, in May 1997 she expired. Okay, was an American poet. He was an American poet, well known for his light verse. He was well known for his light verse, of which he wrote over 500 pieces. He wrote 500 pieces. Okay, with his unconventional rhyming schemes. Unconventional rhyming schemes means like rhyming words will be coming continuously. Okay, that is called. He was declared the country's best known producer of humorous poetry. His light verse even earned him a place on a postage stamp. So he wrote more than 500 pieces, and also light verse even earned him a place on a postage stamp. He got a many place. He earned a many place in it. Okay, Place means per pugal solluvalle, that is called. Now we'll go to the rhyme. Okay, one infant grows up and becomes a jockey, another plays basketball or hockey. This one the prize ring hates to enter, that one becomes a tackle or center. I am just glad as glad can be that I am not them, that they are not me. What they are explaining in this poem is, I am not one infant grows, infant means child here, okay, grows up and becomes a jockey. One infant grows up and he becomes a jockey, another plays basketball or hockey. Okay, this is one of the prize ring hates to enter. What he is saying here, it hates to enter. That one becomes a tackle or center, maybe throwing a ball or being a center player. I am just glad as glad can be that I am not them, that they are not me. They can be a basketball player or a jockey or a hockey or a tackling center plays, ball throwing or a playing in the center. But I am very glad what I am. I am not them and they are not me. Is it clear in this poem? Sorry, in this para. Next. With all my heart I do admire athletes who sweat for the fun or hire, who take the field in gaudy pomp and maim each other as they romp. My limp and bashful spirit feeds on other people's heroic deeds. What he is saying here? My wholeheartedly I admire, with my wholeheartedly I admire her. How the athletes are very sweating. Okay, the athletes are sweating, they are playing for fun or hire, they are playing for fun and hire, they are making us entertainment. Okay, they are making us to entertain. Who takes the fail in the gaudy pump? They are, how they are looking, they are showing the dresses, their dresses will be like colorful, they will be gaudy pump means they are showing their dresses like in a colorful ways, and maim each others they romp. How they are injured. Maim means what? They are injured and they are romp. They are and maim and each other they are romp. How they are maim means they are injured here. The athletes are injured, and romp means rough fight. They are fighting here roughly. Okay. My limp and bashful spirits feeds. How it is? My weakness and my shyness spirit feeds. How she is feeling? She is the poet is here weak and he is feeling very shy here. Spirit feeds on other people's heroic deeds. When he is seeing their heroic deeds, okay ma, their activities making me happy, their activities making me happy. Okay, is it clear, this two para? Now come to the third para. Now runs 90 yards to score, B knocks the champion to the floor, cracking vertebrae and spines, lashes his teeth across the line. You would think my ego it would please to swap positions with one of these. What she is saying, what he is saying here, when they are going for yards to score with the horse riding, A yards to score, they are going, A is going with the horse and the B is knocking at the champion to the floor. Okay, cracking vertebrae and spines. How they are vertebrae. Cracking means they verting the horse and beating the horse. Okay, lashes his teeth across the line to go in the straight line, You would think my ego it would please. You can exchange. What he is saying here, to swap positions with one of these. You can't exchange me like other than us. What they are coming to say is the horse is going to A is going to the horse, okay, and B is knocking at the champion to the floor. They are breaking the knees and the spines here, and lashes to steeds, the lashes to the steeds to come across the line to go in the straight line. You would think my ego would please. What he is saying, you would think my ego would please, but whatever it is, I will not be them and they will not be me. Okay. Well, ego it might be pleased enough, but jealous athletes play so rough. They do not ever in their dealings consider one other's feelings. I am glad that when my struggle begins, twist prudence and ego, prudence wins. What he is saying in this stanza? But jealous athletes play so rough. Well, ego it might be pleased enough, but jealous means what? You are active. How the athletes are? The athletes are very active here. They do not even change their dealings. They never change their dealings here. Consider one another's feelings. They do not worry about They do not worry about the others' feelings here. I am glad that when my struggle begins, they are glad about their struggle begins. Twist prudence means here what? Wisdom here. Wisdom and the ego. Wisdom and ego wins. What wins here? Wisdom or ego? Only wisdom wins here. Okay. Next, the fourth stanza. When swollen eye meets garnered fist, when snaps the knee and cracks the wrist, when official dom demands, is there a doctor in the stands? My soul in truth thanksgiving speaks for this modest of physics. What they are saying in this para? My swollen eyes made garnered first. Okay, the eyes are being swollen here. My snap the knee and cracks the wrist. How their knees are? The knees has been broken, the wrist has been crackled. Okay. When when official demands here, is there doctor in the stands? Doctor in the stands means what? In the playing area, whether any doctors are there. My soul is true thanksgiving speaks for this modest of physics. I am thanking God for giving me this physics here, because here everything has been cracked and broken in Liya. Snaps of knee have been broken and the wrist has been cracked. I thank God for giving me this physics here. Next. Athletes, I will drink to you or eat with you or anything except compete with you. Buy tickets worth their radium to watch you gamble in the stadium and reassure myself anew that you are not me and I am not you. What he is saying here? Because of athletes, I will drink here. I will come and drink with you. I am ready to enjoy with you. I can have food with you or anything except compete with you, and also I can compete anything with you to watch a gamble in the stadium. Gamble means I will be the first and the active person in the stadium. They are ready to collect. What he is saying here? I am ready to give how much money it costs. I am ready to come and pay money and watch your sports. Okay, I am ready to eat with you, I am ready to drink with you, and also I can buy tickets for the any cost to watch your gamble. A gamble means here what? Active in the stadium, and reassure myself anew that you are not me and I am not you. Again, the athletes are not me and the athletes are not, you are not the athletes. You are not me and I am not you. What he is trying to say here, athletes are not me and athletes are, me is not the athletes. So he is thanking God that I am one of the conventions of a born spectator. Spectator means watching person. Okay, spectator means the person who is watching and giving a, spectator means the person who is watching and enjoying and feeling herself happy. Okay, is it clear? I think you are clear with this poem. Next we'll go to the non-etile. My dear students, I hope you understood the lesson and the poem. If you have any doubt, you can clarify your doubts in the class. Today we'll end up the class with this. I will continue with the next class from the supplementary. Thank you.
Character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Curriculum Pakkam.
I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education is okay. Knowledge forever, love forever. Faithful friends to see the portion. Lovely teachers and promised. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education is okay.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dillianur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.